dinosaur balloon and Mom gave it to me and like it. Today I have a book of camping trip. We ride in a car. We go hiking. We build a tent. We go fishing. We have a barbecue. We sing a song. We count stars. We say goodnight.